Hey, welcome everyone. This is Mike from ZozoStockWatch.com, and this is going to be your stock watch list for Monday, the 4th of February. You can keep these on your radar pretty much throughout the week. Sometimes they may make a move on Monday or later in the week. Each night we do a video, stocks to watch, so be on the lookout for that on the channel. If you're new to this channel, please hit the subscribe button. If these videos are helping you out, please hit the thumbs up. I did a video, let's get ready for the week ahead, that will have more information on it as far as economic information, earnings information, market view, and we look at some of the stocks and that made big moves and weak moves the week that passed. So that'll be attached at the end of this video. Let's go ahead and get right into it. So ACB will be on our watch. Full disclosure, we're in a swing trade on this one, ACB, but looking for this to make further continuation. Around that 760 area has been a resistance spot for ACB. Let's see if we can push up and through that. So keep that one on your watch. ACRX kind of coiling here above this 225 level. Maybe if it gets up over this 260 area, had 1.3 million shares come into the name on Friday. So it is kind of coiling here on ACRX Medical Devices. ADIL just missed this one on Friday. Was watching for the break of about $6.30, and then I stepped away, and the thing popped up all the way to $7. So this will be back on our watch for Monday and the next few days. ADIL. Earnings on this one are not until next week on the 13th of February. So keep an eye on ADIL. AEZS is kind of a basing here below the $4 area. You see it's popped up above 4, pulled back, trying to do it again. We got as high as 405. Maybe that 410 area for AEZS, or maybe if it pulls back to about that 375, holds above the 10 SMA on the daily chart here. So keep an eye on this one. Want to see a little more action and volume come into this name. So that'll be on watch. Ameren, still always watching this one for takeover chatter on the name. The $18 area has been a resistance spot for Ameren, so keep that on watch. Oil has been improving. We talked about that on our Let's Get Ready for the Week Ahead video. Catch that on the channel, the previous video to this one. So APC trying to get up over the 50 SMA here. May keep an eye on this one. $48 and about 56 cents is the 50 SMA here. So maybe over that 48.75 spot. APC might get going. APHA, another cannabis name, starting to build up some momentum here, get up over this 200 SMA, a flat 200 SMA, came up to about the $10 area, was rejected there. So we'll keep it on watch. Volume expanding here up to over 28 million shares on APHA. Cannabis name, keep it on watch, is one definitely to keep an eye on, along with that ACB. AXSM, nice pop up through the $9 area, this 850 area. Was consolidating for the longest time. Volume 1.8 million. Maybe some type of red to green move on AXSM. Let's look at the weekly on this beautiful weekly chart here. They gapped it up. They held the gap. Now trying to push it further. We do have a resistance back here in October 2016 at 911, so we're back above that also. So keep an eye on this AXSM. For a possible setup. BOXL flagging here, still below the 200 SMA. It makes a lot of fits and starts above the 200 SMA, and that $4 area. This would have to get up over the highs from Friday, about 310, 315 area. Could get interesting on BOXL. CGC has been very strong. Maybe it needs to pull back a little bit. I would love it to pull back to maybe the 10 SMA here on the daily chart around that $45 level. You know, that's a $3 pullback. Not sure I'll get that, but it'll be on watch. I don't want to chase it up here. It is kind of flagging underneath this $50 area on CGC. So maybe if it continues to consolidate here, we could get another move up. So either consolidation or pullback I'm watching on that one. CLVS, watching this one starting to grind and make that turn up. It's above all the fast moving averages, above the 50. We do have a declining 200 SMA here, so that is one concern. So we'll keep it on watch, maybe up over, if it breaks up over this 26 area for CLVS. Just for me, just for intraday trading on this name. There is also rumors of takeover chatter on this name. Now, they're just rumors only. ENDP kind of coiling here. For a while, we've bounced from 7, basing under this $10 area and the 50 SMA. Volume 1.8 million shares on ENDP, so that'll be on watch. EXEL also basing under this $24 area. We had highs back here of 24.19. Maybe if this can take out 23.80 area, we could make a push up to that 24 spot. Biotech name FBIO had news this week. They gapped it up. It's basing under this 255 area. If it breaks up over these highs, it could make a nice continuation move. You see the expanding volume coming in on this name, 2.2 on Friday. So FBIO. Now we could also get a red to green type of move on this name. HZNP also trying to turn the corner here and move up. We have this 22.25 area on HZNP, so keep an eye on that one. Maybe this one's had 1, 2, 3, almost 4 days up in a row, 3, 4 days. So maybe a little bit of consolidation is in order. Going to depend on the markets and the biotechs. INFM. This one, 7.3 million shares came into this. They broke it up over the 50 SMA. It's holding above the 5. The 100 SMA looks like a trend line resistance, a moving average. The 100 SMA is at 519. We'll see if it can break out over 525.25. But like this expanding volume on INFN, may need a little bit of a pause here. We'll see. IQ on watch. This one trying to get back above the 100 SMA. The China names, if positive news comes out from the Trump administration, Kudlow, etc., on China trade talk, maybe this one will make a nice move. IQ. Some other names, you might want to watch is this HUYA and BILI, Billy, Triple CL is another China name. Let's just check on BABA, the leader coming up to the 200 SMA and that $170 area on BABA. Kind of an indecisive day on Friday. You see it hit that 200 SMA, pulling back a little bit, but we'll keep BABA on watch also. Another stock I'll be watching in the China space is NIO. All right, NIO, a lot of call activity coming into this name. $8 is a big resistance spot for this. If it can get up over maybe 810, 825, you could see a continuation move in NIO. NBEV in the cannabis space, full disclosure, sorry. We are in a swing trade on this name. Right now, the resistance area has been around that 750 area, 760 area for NBEV. So we'll see if this one wants to make a further move. Might trade it intraday. Once again, we do have a swing trade going on in NBEV. MU, obvious number here is this $40 area. So this one will be on watch. Micron for the possible move over 40. STX has earnings coming out on Monday after the bell, so that might get those data storage stocks moving up. STX, WDC made a nice move last week. This one will be on watch, has that $48 area. Now, maybe shorts get nervous before this one reports earnings on Monday. For STX. I'll be watching this to see if the shorts flinch. Maybe we can get a nice intraday trade on STX. SYMC, we traded this earnings play on Friday. We got a beautiful move out of this name, SYMC. So this one I'll have on watch for further continuation. Another name I'll be watching, TMSR. We traded this on Friday on the break of $5. It popped up real nice. It was spready. You couldn't play it too big, but TMSR, nice move up. So we'll have it on watch again for Monday and and the rest of the week, I would imagine. VICL, a nice turn, 1.6 million shares, still under the 50 SMA on this name. The high on Friday was 108, so if it can clear maybe 110 area on VICL, but I like this volume that came into the name. VVUS, another name I'll be watching, basing below that $5 area. The 200 SMA, though, is right up ahead at $5.18. We had a recent high on this name at $5.27. So maybe around that $5.25 for this name might get it going on VVUS. So that'll be on watch. Small oil stock WFT, 63 million shares came into this one. We had a high of 84 cents. Might be wanting to go for that dollar break. So keep an eye on WFT as oil is back above $55 a barrel. This is a small oil play. ZS in the software infrastructure space. We have a swing trade going on in this name. It's coming up to these highs here. Back here was 48.24. We're currently at 48.32. A recent high was 48.85. So it seems like it's just starting to break out. So keep an eye on that 48. I don't know, 75, 48.50 area for ZS, so keep an eye on this one. Might want to make a further move. Let's see, ZYNE also trying to get above $6 on this name. 3.7 million shares on ZYNE, holding above the fast-moving averages, above the 50 SMA. Once again, we are below the 200 SMA here on ZYNE. Mylan looks interesting if it can get back over $31 on Mylan. So it's come up to $31 a few times. So keep an eye on this one, maybe over that 31.10 spot for Mylan, MYL. Another name I'll be watching is OCX. Now we had this big gap up, this big pop up all the way to $7. Has not broken the 5 EMA as of yet. We are below the $5 area, maybe back above this 5.10 spot for OCX, and this one could get going again. Volume on Friday was about 1.6 million shares. Like I said, it held this 450 and held my 5 EMA yellow dotted line that you see here on OCX. All right, folks, that's the stocks on watch for Monday, February 4th. If this video helps you out, gives you some trade ideas, please hit the thumbs up. If you're new to this channel, please hit the subscription button. If you're out there on social media, please share this video, retweet it, or put it out on your own. I'd greatly appreciate it. Let's build this channel. This is Mike from ZozoStockwatch.com. Please enjoy the Super Bowl. Have a good day trading tomorrow. We'll be back at it with another video Monday for Tuesday. And don't overtrade tomorrow, and don't trade with a hangover from the Super Bowl. Have a great day. Go Pats, go Rams. Let's just have a good game. Have a great day.